Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In this class we'll be learning about few things, how to draw with ovals and circles, okay, and some curves. And this is the 6th class in the basics, okay, drawing with basics. Now let us draw an object using some oval, the very first object. And for the very first time, whenever you're drawing an object, see that you're drawing it very light and later you can make it dark. Okay, so I'm using one more semicircle. I feel this is perfect. Now I can draw this. Okay, and I'm making a curve over here in the center. This is the center part. I'm making a curve, and here I'm making a diya. So now in this way, and here we are not going to show this part, okay. And like this, we can erase the middle part and even this, and this looks like this, okay. And we can draw even a fruit slice using a semicircle. I think you can guess what is this. We are not doing any shadings and all, okay, remember that. We are just drawing the basic shapes. So very simple watermelon slice. And as I showed you in the previous class, with curves we can just draw the leaf this way. So this is one thing we can practice. And with the semicircles, with the curves, let us draw one curve over here and one curve a little bit like this, and this, a simple mango. Give it a curve, okay, this way. And okay, we'll just draw one more using an oval. Just draw the oval first. First make it very light. Everything we'll be drawing with the curves now. We'll just do this. Give some lines over here, one line over here, and one line in the opposite, and one over here, one over here, one here, and one here. Now try to join all this. Now make two curves over here in this way and give a twist on this, and here just make this way and this way, here and this, here also the same, one curve this way. Very simple thing, very easily we are drawing. I think you people might have guessed it. What is this? Any guesses? I hope you would have guessed it. Right, a turtle. You can make it a little bit even more broad. So a simple form of a turtle. Very simple in drawing this. Now a funny we'll just draw a funny snail, a happy snail. Give a small circle, and now from here give a circle, start a circle, and keep on giving circle, circle, circle with an equal distance. This way. And so this is for kids, it's not the realistic one. We are just making a funny character out of these small shapes using circles and all. Okay, so these are a few with curves, circles, ovals and all. In the upcoming class we'll just learn how to draw fruits. So keep on watching. Happy drawing. I hope you like this. If at all you liked it, please like, and if you're watching it for the first time, please subscribe the channel and please do share it, because I'm showing this step by step and in very easy methods. And if at all you have any doubts, please post in the comment section so that I can answer you, and please share the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.